is to be legalized.
Yes, sir. The fence is brand new.
Install new pool fence, around pool with lock gate. Amazing. And the worst part is,
It's approved.
That's right. I'm going to tell you one thing that happened to me on another job 2-3 years ago. I go do a foundation, and I look at the rebar and I come back out and say, let me see the plans. What's wrong? You don't have them? I say, yeah, but look. So I opened the plans. They didn't show one rebar in the foundation. Okay? And it was approved by the city.
Right?
Okay, I'll tell you what. If you put a lock on that gate, there's some lock that look like this. And they're really simple. It's a little thing like latches here, and then it latch here like this. And all you have to do is pull this and it'll open.
Oh, that kind of button thing.
No, the button is even simpler.
With a long
that.
hand?
No, simpler than that. Put one. Home Depot has them.
Sure. Okay, a pull lock. All right.
Yeah. Put them 52 to 54.
Mm-hmm.
Take a couple of screws, and I'll approve your inspection.
Got
I'm going
it.
to put partial okay, so they don't charge you $50 for that.
I appreciate it, sir. And so you want that on this gate right here?
Yeah. That will protect. Let me see the other gate. Let me go look at the.
That gate is fastened. It doesn't open, but you can look at it, sir, please.
No, if it doesn't open.
It does not open. But check it if you'd like. I don't want to take my word.
I'm going to take your word. Why wouldn't I take your word?
I'm just saying.
Okay. Put it on here, I'll approve it.
All right, sir.
Okay, I put,
So you want a type of lock that's going to open from the bottom? How would that lock, or just some type of saddle lock?
yeah, something like this. They go click, and they can open it.
Got you.
Supposed to, for a little kid, can reach it.
Got it. All right, I understand.
Okay. It's like, let me tell you something. Chain link fence.
Mm-hmm.
4 foot. That's acceptable.
Why?
It is acceptable. Why? I don't know why, because I got a 3-year-old grandson that will climb that goddamn fence and jump over it. But it's acceptable. Why? Because the fence people dish out a lot of money.
Got it, sir. Thank you, Inspector.
Okay, remember?
All right. Sir, before you go, I have one more issue. You are here this morning on pool barrier, but pool barrier and final. So I'm going to have to call you for this inspection and final together. How do you want to do that?
Call it together.
They won't give it to me together.
Okay.
They say you have to partial.
Give me this. Okay, I'll tell you what. When I come, if you have that thing on, I'll approve it. This, then I'll go back and put the inspection on for me to do it the same day, and I'll approve your final.
Got you. Thank you very much, sir. You're always a pleasure.
You have a good day, sir.
All right, buddy. Thanks a lot.
Bye.